was going to make another video, but I got into a little fender bender in the front right here, so I had to get that fixed. The lady who hit me, they found her at fault, so they'll pay for the damage. But I'm going to do the work myself, and then pocket whatever money I get. Now, I'm going to show you right now the damage done to the car and what I'm going to do. As you can see, I actually hit her right in this area right here. So it scraped across here. We also got a crack right there. And it stripped out the bolts on the lip I bought. I'll get down closer. You see where it ripped it off? I'm just going to buy another lip. It's for 99 Cobra Mustang. I'm also, since I'm already going to be taking this bumper off, I'm going to get a new grill. And I'm going to get it's going to be like a billet black. I'm going to put the Ford back on. It's going to also run a billet black down here too. And I'm going to put driving lights. So that's it. I'll make the orders when I get home in a few minutes. And then I'll make a video on how to change the bumper and put all the parts on. Until then, I'll see ya.